Here we are, we're trying to solve a problem from a Nisman Bischoff motorhome. We have a problem that is eating 11 amps away. So first of all we're gonna remove two fuses. That is the 12 volt panel. Second, third, and fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to remove that one. And then you have the pump. And then you have the check panel. So, now first what we're going to do, we're going to go into the back of the batteries. We just replaces two batteries and it's still eating amps, so we're going to check. Because we can go maximum till 10 amps for only a few seconds, but look at this, 11 point. It's eating so much. So now we'll go inside and we hope that the measurement will survive. The charger here makes 12 volts from 220. Maybe that will do the trick. So again we need to go to the battery and check. Eating, so I need to remove it. So first we're going to remove the screw because I just measured and it looks like the fridge is doing it. So get that one out. So that one is going to the heating element from the 12 volts. So now we go back to the batteries and we measure the amps again and hope that it's less than what we had. There it is. Problem solved.
Yeah, I'm right. The fridge is on. Just defrost the freezer, yeah.
Yeah, but that is normally impossible.
I think there's a problem with the power control of the fridge.
I think so. So the problem is in the fridge. So we can just hook this up. Am I doing it right? Yeah, I'm doing it right. Yeah, absolutely right. So what we're also doing is remove this battery thing, because I don't trust this at all with the broken wires. It's crooked everywhere. See, this also will give a lot of damage on your motorhome. It can catch fire. You don't want that. So,
Yeah.
when you hook up the battery, you hook up both of the pluses and then you put the minus. Never other way around, because otherwise it's gonna smash everything. It's the other way around. So this is what's happening when they don't use the right material. You're gonna get this kind of connections. Now we're gonna test again the amps on the fridge. I hook up this, and you can see if I hook it up there. Oh, hold on. I need to be here. There. She's taking 12 amps. That is too much. The rest there is no failure. So the failure is here. So now we're going to shut down the fridge completely and then see if it's still. And it's still doing that. So something is fishy here with this one. So probably it's the electronic box here, or the electronic box, the black one there. So we cannot do anything about that, but at least we got the failure off. So I found the problem. The problem is that when you put the 12 volts in here, we get right away 12 amps from this machine. So at least we found the problem, and now we leave it up to the owner if he wants to have it repaired, yeah or no. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and bye bye.